Day 2, my hands are freezing.
Day 2, I've got my camera assistant over here.
She drop it. I'll let you drop it. Okay, why is Josh like coughing for camera? Like,
I'm sick.
Ramzan isn't here, but
We miss you. We miss you.
Oh yeah, I said I'd FaceTime him and add him into the thing.
Nobody got time for that.
Nobody got time for that. Just come from the museum, like.
sorry you couldn't see it.
Realistic, yeah. So you can see, I put the camera in with like in the cloakroom and stuff, thinking that there was like no photography in that. We got followed by like them people that sit down, yeah, the volunteers. Proper on job. Rather going Market Island or time, Margaret Island or the market place. Cool. So yeah, catch you guys there, innit? Yo, Ash, quick thing for them still.
So we just realised we got bumped. We paid 10k for
10K
essentially a bus ride with some earphones. So.
Yeah.
And we still had to buy a train ticket.
It's all blessing. Shots, beer, wine. You look shook, you know. I'm looking a bit shook.
It's been a while since I tried.
I was going to do it same time. Oh, you can't do it? Oh. To get that like that. So. Alright, let me go first.
His face.
Instant club. Shit again. Nah. Actually, we need to turn around.
This is not bad.
The last club we went to, was like, look now. So yeah, we just got in from pub crawl and it was interesting. First place was alright, beers flowing, beer pong. Shit, this is bare bright. I look like an MUA. Like, let me turn down this brightness though. That's better. But yeah, first place, we had beer pong, we had unlimited beers, unlimited wine, 3 of them shots. It was grenadine and carbonated vodka. Had 3 of them, had this pass as well. And basically, the carbonated vodka got described to me as something that you should only have 3 because the 4th one will kill you.
Oh, could you get my pizza?
But I feel like that was a bit of a overreaction because like after 2 Ray and Nephew, that's when you're struggling, not these shots. So I was calm, to be honest. Went to the next place had a shot, apple shot, very nice. Went to the next place, the music was whack. Went to the last place, the club was huge, like one of them super clubs. But the music was whack. So by that time we'd sobered up, so yeah, it's not like you can vibes. But yeah man, it was busy though, very busy. So now we need to all go sleep because we're gonna wake up tomorrow and do the spa bath. So you'll probably see that next in the video. Ashley's doing the madness. She actually fell asleep in the club. So did you fall asleep in the club?
I don't recall.
Do you not recall because you fell asleep in the club? Perhaps, okay. I think that's enough confirmation we need, and it's gone out of focus anyway, so good night guys. I feel really left out, like,
Why?
because you're all like together and I'm just like by myself. Guys, I was just lost for ages. Nothing humbles you more when you're in a different country and you don't know where the you're going. Basically I left something in the Airbnb. The ticket, the sightseeing tickets had to go all the way back, but I forgot. I haven't really been paying attention the past few days, so, or like a couple of days, yeah. So they're probably gonna cuss me, but I didn't know where the I was going, so I went around some next way, and even now I'm walking. I swear I'm going the wrong way, but while I was being lost, I saw bare nice artwork. Like even over there, can you see that? I just found bare artwork, so like maybe later I could do a little photo shoot, like a little Budapest shoot. And now I'm gonna try to find the girls, and then I think we'll go into the Great Market, get some souvenirs and that. Yeah man, but shit boy, got humbled.
Where are we, Woolery?
So we're in the Great Market. Crap. Hungarian things. We've got fruit here. We've got the fruit and veg and that. Listen. Slick setting.
No, I just had a
Which one do you get?
Number 11 ham and cheese. Nice little place and that. Cheese! 360s. Water's hot. 23. I don't know if you can see that thing behind me. The girl them. Turn around. Cheese! Hey, the steam. Oh, it looks wavy. Wow, Woolery, baby. Still here. We'll do a nighttime shoot. I'm feeling myself, you know? So Jalisa got the jambalaya.
Oh no, I'm so upset. I'm actually like, because I was thinking, you don't cook it breakfast.
And me and Ash got the Creole burger. And she got the sauce. We got the juice, but we got the sauce. And got this juice. Don't even know what it is. It tastes nice though.